Hi everyone, welcome back to Pam's Wig Adventure, and here is hair mail number 2. And I have on Estetica's Blaze that I just tried on in my last hair mail. So I have a wig I purchased from Tia Maria. She's been having her sales on her channel, so I snatched up one. This is MacKenzie. She had a blue one, so I got it. Okay, so we'll try that one on. And then there were a few that she had been trying on that I loved, so I went and I purchased them. I just love Blaze. So this is Amara, and then this is Kani, or Kani, K-A-N-I. So let's try them on. So let's see the blue one, MacKenzie. Let me just fix her for a minute. She's got flyaways everywhere. Okay, so she has tried her on. She was beautiful. She has, for cap, she has lace that was already cut. So she has all of the lace. She has clips in the front. She has hair that's caught in there. She has extended nape and bra straps. So let's try her on. She is luscious. I saw the blue and I just had to get it. Tell me this is not gorgeous. Is this gorgeous or what? This is gorge. I feel like it's too low. So this is MacKenzie. Okay. I loved her. She was gorgeous. Let me show you all sides. I know the colors are not for everyone, but and there's just, I'm gonna have to do something with this one piece right here because she's just not flowing like I want. So we'll just do something with this one piece right there and put her back. But I loved this one. Oh, I love the curls in the front. Oh yeah. She's luscious. So there's that one. And then Amara, it says FT, hook it, draw it, fit it. I don't know what that means. So this is a new type for me, so I hope it's not too confusing. I've got a hangnail and it's catching everything. Okay. It says stretchy cap, elastic band, vacuum bag. I've never had one like this before, so hope it's nothing fancy that I can't figure out. Looks like it's got it caught on the top there. Oh yeah, look at that. That is pretty. Got lots of curls. Okay. And then we've got, okay, got a couple things. Oh, okay, so I never had one with one of these. Okay. So hopefully I can figure out how to put this on. You take the, what you call it, off of this. See if I can take these off. Come on. Just gonna cut it because I don't got time to be fighting with this. All right. So, okay. Let's look. Well, first let's look at the color. Color is gorgeous, right? The curls feel beautiful. They feel soft and light. We've got lace. We don't have ears in here. Looks like a left part. Okay. Another one of the ones that don't have ears. No extended nape. Okay, and it's got, all right, so it's got a cinch. That's what it means, so you cinch it. All right, let's see if we can figure this one out. Let's see. Yeah, this one's gonna need some work right here. Okay. All right, let's see if I can figure this out. Okay. All right, I'm just gonna put it on like that for now. Ooh. All right, so which way? I think you put it whichever. Oh. Ooh, I like this. So I wore the purple one that I got from the local store. I wore that this week. I loved it. Okay, this is nice. This is nice. I gotta figure out how to tighten it and everything. Okay, this is cute. Okay, yeah, this is cute. So this is like my Magnolia, but just shorter, right? Very soft. It's not textured. Very soft, loose curls. Love it. Okay. She gets an A+. I just have to figure out how to tighten it and put the other thing on. Okay. So now the other one, this is Dream Lace. I got FS430. Okay. This. Okay. This. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Okay. So we have lace. Looks like a middle part. Looks like the same thing, so it doesn't look like we have ears. It doesn't look like we have an extended nape. Looks like bra straps. But we have the lace in the middle. And then this. Oh, it's beautiful. You see the waves? It's not textured at all either. Okay. I'm excited about this one. Oh, how do I get this thing off? Okay. Okay, these are all really good wins. Okay, and this one, the lace is a little dark, but that's okay. Once we cut the lace, that should be fine. Okay. Oh, this is gorgeous. Isn't this pretty? Oh yeah, this is pretty. This is pretty. This is very pretty. Very, very pretty. Yep. It's just straight with like a little bit of it's almost like a little bit of a beach wave. You know? Oh, I like it. I like this a lot. Length is good. Oh yeah, I like this a lot. And this is not textured at all. This does not have texture. Very nice. Very, very nice. Yep, this is real nice. I like this one a lot. Yep. All right, ladies, so there it is, 2 hair mails. Like I said, I do have some that I've ordered from the Beauty Nook that are finally on their way. That they've been ordered. Gosh, I have one. I have Caliente that I ordered back in October. I have Shankarado that I ordered back in November. I'm still waiting on those. So I've got wigs that I've ordered quite a while ago that I still don't have.
Sorry, I'm having trouble hearing. Can you say that again?
Yeah, so.
Sorry, I'm not sure about that.
Okay, bye guys. See you in the next video.